Hi friends, hope you are all doing good and healthy. This is your friend Bright and came up with a new video for you. Today, I will talk about an alternative way for chatting and socializing yourself rather than WhatsApp, Imo, WeChat, and all that we know. Also I will show you how to set up it on your phone and how does it works. So kindly be watching this video till the end. Before I start, I need one small help from you. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell for our channel Bright Infotainment, as your subscription is my inspiration. My heartfelt thanks to them who already subscribed and became part of our family. Let's start with today's video topic. Namaste Bharat. This is an application which has been built by Indian developers. This is an alternative way for chatting and socializing like WhatsApp, Imo, WeChat and many more. It brings you closer to your friends and family via chat, voice and video calling. Let's see how to set up it on phone. Go to Google Play or Apple App Store. Type Namaste Bharat in search bar. Tap on Install. Once installed, and open it on your phone and allow all the permissions. Now you will be asked to provide display name. Provide a display name as you wish. Then choose a country from the list where you located. Provide your phone number. Tap on Register. Application will then send you an OTP to your phone number. Once you get the OTP, authenticate yourself using the same. Your setup is now completed and you should be inside the Namaste Bharat application. Now setup is done, so let's explore it to see how it works. At the first look, your perception might be it is similar to WhatsApp application, but let me tell you, you will get more features here in Namaste Bharat than WhatsApp. First, you will need to invite those persons you wish to communicate with. To do that, click on three-dot menu on top right corner followed by Go to Settings and you will get the option Contacts. You can then invite anyone from your contact list, or you can type contact number directly to invite the person you want. Once the person register themselves to Namaste Bharat, your one-to-one chat should be ready. You can then communicate with that person just like WhatsApp and all other applications does. While creating a group, you need to tap to Conference tab, and you can create group from there. Add the persons into the group to start group chat. Your group should be ready. Here if you see you have the option to like or dislike option for an individual post to a group, which is very unique feature. Also another unique feature is that you can schedule a meeting for future. To do that, tap on Conference tab and you have it the option to schedule meeting for future. Recent tab is to get for all recent incoming, outgoing, and missed call details. Status tab looks similar to WhatsApp. You will see plenty of new advanced features here in Namaste Bharat when you are in Settings option. I will leave those for you to explore when you use this app. Let's talk about security of Namaste Bharat. Namaste Bharat's end-to-end encryption is available when you and the people you message on the Namaste Bharat app. Many messaging apps only encrypt messages between you and them, but Namaste Bharat's end-to-end encryption ensures only you and the person you're communicating with can read what is sent, and nobody in between. Namaste Bharat supports all platforms like Android, iOS, Windows. You can register yourself and explore this application, which seems to me an amazing application. Let me know into the comment box how you feel about Namaste Bharat after exploring. This is all I have for you. I am signing off for today. If this is your first time here in our channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on so you can be notified every time we upload videos. soon be right back with a new video for you. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. Goodbye.